Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning client communication, feedback and growth conversations, check-ins, upselling services, client retention techniques. Goal: learn how to lead with clarity, confidence, and value in every client interaction, so you retain clients longer, grow accounts, and position yourself as a trusted partner. Section 1: Why communication is your growth tool. As a VA, your ability to communicate proactively is what separates you from being just support and becoming a strategic partner. Great communication builds trust, shows ownership, creates client loyalty, opens the door for upsells, increases referrals. This class will equip you to lead client check-ins, handle feedback professionally, spot opportunities to expand your role, keep clients happy and loyal. Section 2: Setting a communication rhythm. Clients feel most secure when they don't have to chase you for updates. You should set a predictable rhythm for communication. Recommended cadence. Communication type. Frequency. Format. Weekly updates. Weekly, Monday or Friday. Email, Loom, or shared doc. Monthly check-in. Monthly. Zoom/Google Meet. Daily quick sync, if needed. Only for intensive clients. Slack or WhatsApp check-in. Ad hoc updates. As needed. Looms, ClickUp comments, etc. Pro tip: use Loom or Notion for asynchronous updates. Clients appreciate seeing and hearing from you. Section 3: The weekly update template. Use this to send concise, client-focused summaries. Keep them results-oriented. Subject: weekly update, client name, week/date. Body: what was completed this week? Inbox cleared daily, CRM updated, 2 blog drafts edited. What's in progress? Social media calendar for August, new Notion dashboard draft. What I need from you. Brand images for next week's campaign. Quick wins. Reduced average email response time from 24 to 8 hours. Stick to bullet points. Show clarity, control, and progress. Section 4. Mastering client check-ins. A monthly check-in doesn't have to be long, but it should be strategic. This is when you can realign on goals. Bring up what's working or not. Suggest new support areas. Mention boundaries, if needed. Sample agenda for a 30-minute client check-in. Time. Focus. 0 to 5 minutes. Wins and metrics from the last month. 5 to 10 minutes. Updates on deliverables. 10 to 20 minutes. Feedback from client plus new ideas/suggestions. 20 to 30 minutes. Review goals, next steps, and upcoming priorities. Use this moment to plant seeds for upsells by sharing where you could help more. Section 5: Navigating feedback like a pro. You will get feedback, positive and critical. Your job is not to take it personally, but professionally. Feedback dues. Acknowledge: thanks for sharing that, I appreciate the clarity. Clarify: would you prefer a weekly recap in Loom instead of email? Adapt: show willingness to improve without self-blame. Follow up: confirm changes made based on feedback. Feedback don'ts. Don't explain defensively. Don't assume they're unhappy, sometimes it's just preferences. Don't delay difficult conversations, address them quickly. Pro tip: always document feedback and responses. Use ClickUp, Notion, or Google Docs. Section 6: Upselling without feeling salesy. Upselling is offering additional value where your client needs it, not pushing services they didn't ask for. When to upsell. You've solved a key pain point and they're happy. You notice a task gap or growth opportunity. You've already built rapport. How to introduce an upsell. Frame it like this. I noticed that your LinkedIn updates have been inconsistent. Since I already manage your newsletter, I can take over weekly LinkedIn posts as well. Would you like me to draft a monthly calendar for review? Offer a trial. We could try it for 2 weeks and see how it feels. Present it with ROI. Taking this off your plate could save you 5 to 7 hours/month and keep your brand presence consistent. Section 7. Client Retention Techniques. Keeping clients long-term is cheaper and more profitable than finding new ones. Retention secrets. Underpromise, overdeliver, always do a bit more than expected. Celebrate milestones, anniversaries, project wins, birthdays. Bring solutions, don't just report problems, propose fixes. Be proactive, suggest new systems, tools, improvements. Track and show value, use dashboards or summaries to highlight ROI. Section 8. Handling difficult conversations. Eventually, you'll face a late payment, miscommunication, or unclear scope. Use this framework. Stay neutral, focus on facts, not feelings. Restate the goal, we both want the project to succeed. Offer clarity, here's what I proposed versus what was delivered. Suggest a way forward. To avoid confusion, we can document all new requests inside ClickUp going forward. Always preserve the relationship, even if you outgrow the client. Section 9. Scripts and templates provided. Weekly update email template. Monthly client check-in agenda. Feedback response script. Upsell suggestion script. Loom update script, async recap. Boundaries reminder message template. Retention strategy checklist. Section 10. Your assignment. Write a weekly update using the provided template for a hypothetical client. Create a 3-point upsell suggestion for a current or potential client. Prepare a 5-minute Loom check-in update based on your current or practice tasks. Draft a 1-page communication protocol you will share with all future clients. Section 11. Key takeaways. Communication isn't a task, it's a growth strategy. Regular updates reduce overwhelm for both you and your client. Feedback is fuel, learn to embrace and apply it. Upsells should feel helpful, not forceful. Long-term clients come from proactivity plus professionalism. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.